In front of me is Huawei Nova 11i, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all typing features on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access System and Updates. Then click on Language and Input. And if you are using Celia Keyboard, on Celia Keyboard. Now select Input over here. And as you can see, all typing features are located over here. If you wish to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. If you are using SwiftKey though, you need to click on it, tap on Typing instead, and manage all of the available options over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!